Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix notifications not showing on your iPhone lock screen. So guys, if you are facing this problem, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix it. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, then you have to just simply turn it off, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you have still this problem, then you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, go to below and locate for the notifications. From here guys, tap on show previews, and from here guys, simply select always, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to check the app which you are having trouble. So guys, open the app and make sure that the allow notification is on, and after that here's lock screen notification center and banner is also turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it on, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply open Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode, and after that scroll it below, and here you can see notification center, so simply turn it on. If it is turn it on, then simply turn it off and again turn it on, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.